akụbaga aja ọgwụ ịkpaba aja ego maka na ezigbo ego na-etiwu ọgwụ ọgwụ a na-atụ Dangote
Magic. Trendybeats.com.
Akụbaga aja ọgwụ Baba mkpọtụ batego.
I came to celebrate Okwuluora's birthday, just to celebrate him because he's a man the whole world have to celebrate.
Today is so wonderful because Okwuluora is awesome. He is only hero we have in Igbo land. In amazing things, in saving life.
It's my birthday, my 33rd birthday, and Igbo people from all walks of life, they came together to celebrate me, and that is why people are everywhere. My name is Okwuluora Ndi Igbo.
The emperor, the conqueror, the champion, the lion is here. Zobu, zobu, enyimba, master.
Toya dike, nenu dike. Toya dike, nenu dike. Iye jamara dike ruenu, ekwe chenjigo. Iye jamara dike ruenu, ekwa dagarigo. Onwere ngabasi, ona-emekasi. Onwere ngabasi, ona-apịakasị. Ebube dike, iwe erikekwe. Nwanyị manaria, achalugo dike. Clear the road for who sabi. Step aside for the game changer. Onye na-ekwu maka ya pụtago. Anụ na-agba egbo na-ata nri. O nwere ngabasị, ọ na-emekasị. O nwere ngabasị, ọ na-apịakasị. Ebube dike, iwe erikekwe. Nwanyị manaria, achalugo dike.
The emperor, the conqueror, the champion, the lion is here. Zobu, zobu, enyimba, The emperor, the conqueror, the champion, the lion is here. Zobu, zobu,
Nenu dike, toya dike, nenu dike. Iye jamara dike ruenu, ekwe chenjigo. Iye jamara dike ruenu, ekwe dagarigo. Oshiri jibwa, mawushine. Ogandoga, ikene bube dike. We know they carry last year. As a blue one on Elani. One manaria. Achalugo dike.
They call him Okwuluora Ndi Igbo, but I think he has passed that stage. They say Okwuluora Ndi Igbo. He's going to be Okwuluora Ndo Wanine.
So my prayer today is, God bless Okwuluora with a good wife, bless Okwuluora with a good health.
It's a great day now. Who don't know what's in there happen today? Today now Okwuluora birthday now. #1 great man of Igbo land. Today is his birthday, so I'm a performing artist. I'm going to perform for him live and direct on the stage. Take a look at.
And Okwuluora
Michelle, to feel like you can have it.
So the local are 3 plots of land, Noka. Okay, since you want Noka too much, we will stand up because I'm giving you one more plot of land over.
You are looking for true love, for Okwuluora and Ekado.
Enugu State, let me hear you say on there.
Baby, give me your love. You see, this love is only for you. Make we conquer the world together. You see, this love is only for you. Asatuto,